you have to understand the drawing. So if you just feel, so if you have done drawings in perspective, right, in 3D and everything, you will be able to envisage more and understand the drawing more, since you have drawn it and you have designed something. So that will, so drawing will always help you in this, right? See, I'll just give you an example of direction or rhythm. So if there are objects which are just kept in one direction, right? अगर एक ही direction में objects रखे हैं, ठीक है, तो what will that show? That shows direction. If I give you a simple things in terms of architectural construction, अगर road के बीच में जो lines करते हैं ना, white lines or yellow lines which are done, right? So what does that show you? It shows you that the road is going that way. If the line is curved बीच में, so that will show that the road is turning. So this is just an element of design which is representing direction, right? That is, so that is what I thought in terms, maybe in terms of architecture or maybe in terms of construction. That is what I'm thinking, that how is this used. Okay, so then if there is a spiral staircase, architecture में आता है ना types of staircase. So if there is a spiral staircase, तो spiral staircase को अगर आप ऊपर से देखेंगे ना, तो it will show rhythm, because as it goes down it is actually going into perspective and वो छोटा होता जा रहा है, right? And it is going down, so you can see, your brain will start imagining a movement that this is going down. So that is called rhythm. So that is learning the principles of design. So that is learning the principles of design, right? But in an architecture form. All this that I'm telling is what is I'm envisaging. जब नाटा guidelines देंगे तब we will surely know, or if they set out a good sample paper for these questions, we would know more. But this is the understanding that is there from these questions. Okay, so now if it is hierarchy, so what is hierarchy? So if you have been given 3 chairs, so if they ask you, okay, from which of the following options show hierarchy, and if there are 3 chairs given, so one chair hai na, wo ekdam, it is kind of a very good armchair and everything, right? A very good built up chair. The second is a simple office chair, and the third one is a stool. So it shows hierarchy in an office through drawing. Are you getting me? Okay, so it is showing positions. Okay, this is the top manager, this is a office clerk, and this is a office boy, right? It's a peon. So that is just showing hierarchy through terms of drawing. Okay, so you have to start training your mind that way when you visualize things. Okay, now the next thing is that understanding geometry and the ability to visualize shape and solve geometric puzzles to test spatial intelligence. Okay, now what is spatial intelligence? It is the ability to comprehend your 3D shapes and images, right? So इसके अंदर जो आपका ये जो स्पैटियल इंटेलिजेंस है और जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज्योमेट्री वाला पार्ट है ना, इसमें व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कैन कम इज कि अगर आपको जैसे एक स्क्वायर दिया है, उसके अंदर एक सर्कल है, एंड दे गिव यू द डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल, एंड देन दे टेल यू दैट अगर सर्कल को निकाल देते हैं तो स्क्वायर में कितना पार्ट रिमेनिंग है, उसका एरिया क्या है, right? If there is a triangle which is given, and if they have just made a very small triangle in that, and they ask you the area of that triangle giving you any one side, so you basically need to do geometry very precisely now. That is the meaning of this thing. So it is also based on drawing, right? You would be given different drawings. They might ask you that they will just give you different shapes, and then they might ask you कि अगर सबका लेंथ सेम है तो सबसे ज्यादा एरिया किसका होगा, or they might give you 3D shapes and they would ask you that which of the following would have a more surface area, right? So anything which is related to 3D and 2D in geometry, okay, that is in this. Okay, so there are questions which are related to 3D shapes, plans and elevations. जो आप करते हैं ना, plan elevation section करते हैं, ठीक है, वो सब चीजें इसके अंदर आती हैं. Okay, So all those things are over here, and that is what is called spatial intelligence. So if you, even if you have paper folding, right, अगर paper खुला है और फिर उसको आप fold कर रहे हो, so imaginary your brain is working to, you know, fold that way and, you know, see which side comes where. So all this is known as spatial intelligence. Okay. Now, even in this, so this is all about brain ability, and even the questions for direction sense. I think you guys would have. Uh, Jagdeep, I would like that you keep your mic mute, okay? So even your questions, okay. So when you see a Google map, when you're driving, if you're driving and if you're seeing a Google map, तो आप क्या करते हो? आपका फोन ऐसे tilt करते रहते हो जैसे जैसे आप left right लेते हो?
No.
What is the ideal way? What is the ideal way? So if an Uber driver, okay, or if a cab driver is keeping his phone, okay, in one certain manner, he won't be tilting the phone now and then. So if you're taking a left, if you're taking a right, your phone is not tilting. So you know, you have to know that if you're going down, and now if the Google is telling that please take a right from the next one, I know that, you know, where should I take it, right? Or where is my arrow going? So all this is spatial intelligence. So your direction sense which you are doing is spatial intelligence. Okay, you have to understand that already there are basic aptitude questions which you are already doing and already performing, and that is what is actually in this course also. ऐसा नहीं है that 100% आपका drawing ही आएगा और drawing में ही question पूछेंगे आपको 120 marks का, right? You have to understand that which kind of aptitude can come in which type of part, right? So they may also do that. If they are asking plan and elevation in your 80 marks wala aptitude, they might not ask in that, but they might ask in this, right? And they might not give you a simple object to open, but they might give you a chair to open. So you know, they'll give a openable chair and then they'll ask that agar aap isko band karoge to which furniture will it make? Understood? So it is the same thing which is over here also. So I hope you guys are little bit clear about what is spatial intelligence and what kind of questions can come in that, right? Now the next is understanding color theory and the various terminologies to test color scheme awareness and knowledge. So this is very basic. You have to study color theory. There are different colors which represent different things, and then you have to know that, you know, why is red used in a certain way, why is green used in a certain way, why is white used in a certain way, and what does it represent. If green is in money, what does it represent? If green is in trees, what does it represent, right? So the same color when used at different places represents different things. Okay, so you have to learn in depth. They might simply ask you that what is an analogous color scheme. Okay, so which are the following are the three colors which represent an analogous color scheme, and then they might, you know, give you three colors, and then you have to answer that. Okay, so it is studying color theory to the point and also understanding the color theory. I think that is very basic and very clear about color theory, and वो directly given ही होता है. उसमें आपको ऐसा भी दे सकते हैं कि they might give you a room, और फिर रूम में they would take up a wall, and then they can ask कि इस wall पे हम कौन सा color करेंगे, so there would be more depth in the room. You know, the room looks bigger. So then you have to understand color theory from that point of view. राइट ऐसा नहीं है कि ब्लैक है वो डेप्थ ही शो करता है इसलिए ब्लैक ही आंसर आएगा. Right, it depends upon the room, it depends upon the shape of the room, it depends upon the objects that are there, right? It depends upon all of that. So that is how you have to understand color theory, right? Now the next one is that visual system interpretation and perception to test graphic similarities and other properties. ये जो इतना लंबा चौड़ा सेंटेंस दिया है ना, उसका बेसिक मीनिंग होता है पर्सपेक्टिव. Okay, the entire sentence, this actually means perspective only, which you are doing in drawing. So 1 point perspective hai, 2 point perspective hai. If you would have ever noticed in NATA, they never actually, you know, directly give you questions about uh, draw a 1 point perspective of a garden, or draw a 3 point perspective of a body view. They will never give such a kind of a question. They will always ask you questions that what you can actually see. So they will tell you that you are an ant and you are, you know, in a pencil box, and then you have to draw, but they will not tell you you draw it in 1 point or 2 point. It is all upon imagination, and that is what is called visual perception, right? Now just imagine, so all of you have done perspective, right? And all of you have done that. सो इट इज बेसिकली, अगर इफ यू आर ड्रॉइंग अ पर्सपेक्टिव, तो आप किस पे ड्रॉ करते हो? पेपर पे. You're drawing it on a paper, right? So what is that paper? The paper is 2D. But when you see a 1 point drawing of a room, so your mind starts creating that room into a 3D space. Okay, and that is what perspective is about. That आप जो 3D में देखते हैं, आप उसको 2D में पेपर पे डालते हैं, और आप जो 2D में डालते हैं वो आप 3D में पेपर पे करते हैं. If as an architect, the first thing that you draw for anything is a plan. When you design something, you will not design a 3D sketch, but you will actually make a plan. So that plan is 2D. Basically, when you see a space, and if you're making something in a plan or designing something in a plan, so that is what you are converting a 3D space into a 2D space. और जो 2D space होता है, जो आप 2D drawing कर रहे हैं, उसको आप 3D में visualize करते हैं, right? And that is what is over here. So uh, I exactly cannot tell you, but you know, there might be questions about proportion over here, right? So अगर आपको एक perspective दिया है and उसमें there are 3 human proportions given to you. Okay, there are 3 human proportions which are given to you. So और आपको पूछेंगे कि perspective के हिसाब से कौन सा human proportion correct है. Okay, so you have been given a road के बीच का light pole, you have been given a building, and then there are 3 humans which have been given to you. So according to the building and the light pole or the width of the road, which human is most appropriate and correct? So that might be the kind of questions that they might give you, and they, you know, they would tick A, B, C, D करके humans को बता देंगे और फिर आपको बताएंगे. Okay, or they might ask you that from this which human is the tallest. If you imagine कि अगर मैं एक पर्सपेक्टिव कर रही हूँ, तो यहाँ पे मैं कितना बड़ा ह्यूमन रख रही हूँ और मैं इसके पीछे भी कितना बड़ा ही ह्यूमन रखती हूँ. अंडरस्टूड? सो मुझे ये ह्यूमन टॉलर लगेगा क्योंकि मैंने इन दोनों का प्रोपोर्शन सेम रखा है. सो आपने जो पर्सपेक्टिव में ड्रॉ किया है, उसको अब आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि आप क्यों सर्टेन वेज को छोटा लेके जाते हो. ओके, सो बेस्ड अपॉन योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द पर्सपेक्टिव देयर माइट बी क्वेश्चंस. We have never ever come across such a situation जहाँ पे पर्सपेक्टिव के बेस पे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हों, right? So this is what I am trying to tell you, that you know, this type of things can come in a perspective, but we really don't actually know कि किस टाइप का आएगा, लेकिन आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो है वो डेफिनेटली आपको हेल्प करेगा इसके अंदर. ओके, इट इज सो इसमें कैसा है that okay, one more thing is can come over here. Visual system perception में is light and shadow, right? So you guys do 3D drawings. उसमें आप लोग light and shadow करते हो, right? So they might just give you a question that it is 2 o'clock and this is the object. तो इसका shadow कैसे आएगा? And there would be 4 shadows which are given to you. So you have to understand that 2 o'clock पे कौन सा direction आता है और कितना shadow या कितना length of the shadow आ सकता है. राइट? सो आपको शैडो ऐसे इतना नहीं होगा कि इतना दिया फिर इतना सा दिया फिर इतना सा दिया, ऐसा नहीं होगा, राइट? सो दे डोंट नीड द एग्जैक्ट थिंग, बट दे नीड योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ लाइट एंड शैडो. देन अगर किसी चीज का शैडो आ रहा है तो वो क्यूब पे, मतलब अगर ऊपर कुछ है और नीचे क्यूब है तो वो क्यूब पे फॉल होगा या नहीं होगा, अगर बॉल है तो बॉल तक टच होगा या नहीं होगा, राइट? सो यू नीड योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ लाइट एंड शैडो. ऑल दिस कम्स इन विजुअल परसेप्शन, right? Even when you're doing nata drawings, and if you are drawing uttarayan या ऐसा कुछ, ठीक है, and it is दिन में होता है, right? People fly kites at 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, right? In the morning, 10 o'clock. So you can show basic shadows of the building also, so that adds an element to your drawing, right? So that is what the understanding that they are asking for right now. Okay, now next is, और इसके साथ ही continuation में है that ability to understand spatial relationship between objects and to visualize images and scenarios, and it is the same thing which I actually talked about right now. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा ना कि ह्यूमन प्रोपोर्शन है और उसके साथ अगर बिल्डिंग है, सो इट इज रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है, इन डिजाइन दे जनरली आस्क कि इफ अ हैंड इज गिवन, ठीक है, सो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस हैंड आई हैव टू ड्रॉ अ बैडमिंटन रैकेट, एंड विद दिस हैंड ओनली आई हैव टू ड्रॉ अ पेंसिल. सो मेरा पेंसिल और बैडमिंटन रैकेट का प्रोपोर्शन क्या होगा? तुम, you guys can draw a pencil very good, right, separately, and a badminton racket also very good separately, but if they both are told to draw together, तो बैडमिंटन रैकेट का जो हैंडल होता है ना, उतना ही आपका पेंसिल होगा शायद. ठीक है. सो देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट इमेजिनिंग कि मेरा जो हैंडल है उससे मेरा पेंसिल का थिकनेस कितना पतला होगा. सो दैट इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन योर डे टू डे लाइफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Okay. So that is how these things will come. And the last one is that test for cognitive ability, perception, attention, recognition, memory, etc. ठीक है. कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी का मतलब क्या होता है? इट इज मेंटल कैपेबिलिटी. तो आपका जो एप्टीट्यूड में मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड आता है ना, ओके, मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड जो होता है विच यू गिव आंसर्स रिलेटेड टू पिक्चर्स. There are puzzles, there are pictures, right? So there might be four shapes given in a certain way, ठीक है. And it is about memory also. So we have, I think I just remember there's a question in design. And basically जैसे जिसका ग्राफिक के रिलेटेड एग्जाम होता है उनको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. दैट देयर आर वेरियस नंबर, देयर इज अ पैराग्राफ गिवन और उसके अंदर देयर आर 10 to 12 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉन्ट्स व्हिच आर यूज्ड. So they have to identify that how many different fonts are used. They have to identify how many different fonts are used in that paragraph. So you have to have a memory, right? कि यहाँ पे मैंने एक font count किया, ये दूसरे type का font है, ये अलग type का font है, right? So that is how this memory things comes into, and that is known as cognitive ability. Okay, about how you can memorize things fast. Okay, so and how do you solve problems, how do you learn from your experience? Okay, how do you reason something, how do you solve problems out of a data which has been given to you? So all that is cognitive ability. Okay, there might be puzzles which are given and they might be picture based. Okay, there might be, so I think you guys have done classification, right? So odd one out दिया है, लेकिन इसके अंदर आपको क्या करेंगे? They would give you complex 3D structures and then they would ask you that which is the odd one out. Okay, so that is all. They might give you multiple elements also. Okay, चार options है और चारों में कुछ multiple elements, and then there's something related to multiple elements where you have to actually memorize things and remember things that okay, इसमें इतना है, इसमें इतना है, which you are not in that stipulated time able to draw and then mark and all such things. So they might ask you questions based on your memory in that way. They might ask you maths puzzles that way, which are related to your memory or how fast you can multiply things or subtract things, divide things. It might be that way also. Okay, so this is a brief explanation about how your questions can be. They might be drawing based, they might be picture based, they might be data based also. Okay, they might just give you a square और फिर ऐसा बोला है कि अगर what is the best way to divide this square into 5 parts. Okay, so that square is actually a piece of a land, and then how can you divide that land equally into 5 parts that all the 5 people are happy with it, right? And then they might give you 4 options. So then you have to logically think it through कि किस तरह से ये divide होगा या कौन सा best चीज होगी. Okay, so these are the some of the things which I can tell you that इस type से आप इसको interpretation कर सकते हैं, and this is the way you can start preparing, and it would be good. Okay, so now if you guys have any questions you can ask me.
मैम
Yes.
डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन ऑल क्वेश्चन के मार्क्स सेम होंगे या अलग अलग?
So I have tried finding about that whether आपका जो 120 मार्क्स का ड्राइंग का पार्ट है वो जो पूरा एप्टीट्यूड में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है उसका टाइम सेम होगा या नहीं होगा, राइट? बिकॉज आई थिंक दे विल गिव यू लेस टाइम since it is MCQs. They would be giving you less time. That what I'm trying to figure out. And आपने जो मुझे पूछा, so उसके अंदर किस टॉपिक का इसमें से कितना वेटेज होगा? हो सकता है कि आपका जो एप्टीट्यूड का 80 मार्क्स का पार्ट है उसका भी कोर्स वो लोग चेंज करके बोले कि अब इसमें ये चीज नहीं है और ये इसमें आएगा, राइट? सो एज आई रेड अबाउट दिस दैट आई कैन सी के आई फील दैट योर प्लान एलिवेशन सेक्शंस वाले जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं या एज काउंटिंग वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो सब अब इस पार्ट में आने चाहिए, तो उतना आपका उसमें रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, राइट? सो ये सब जो गाइडलाइंस है कि आपका कितना वेटेज होगा, कितने मार्क्स का ये होगा, 120 मार्क्स का ही रहेगा या क्या, कितने एमसीक्यूज रहेंगे, वी डू नॉट नो दैट. ऑल दोज आर टेक्निकल गाइडलाइंस एंड दैट वुड बी गिवन बाय नाटा, एंड दे वुड बी गिवन इन सम टाइम. Okay. Anything else about the course if anybody wants to know?
How should we basically prepare for this portion? Like, जो visualization part है and everything, how should we prepare?
So, as I told you that you can always draw. It is not कि drawing exam नहीं है तो हमें drawing करना बंद कर देना चाहिए. Because eventually you cannot learn drawing by reading it. You can only learn drawing or understand drawing by drawing it. So I feel that you should not stop your drawing practice in this, right? And आप जितना ज्यादा ड्राइंग करोगे और जितने ज्यादा टाइप के ड्राइंग्स करोगे, जैसे अगर मैंने आपको लाइट एंड शैडो के बारे में बोला, तो आप जितने कॉम्प्लेक्स चीजों का शैडोज, नाउ यू डू नॉट नीड दैट परफेक्ट आर्ट किया कि यू नो मुझे ऐसा बनाना ही है और ऐसा शैडो लाना ही है, लेकिन आप जितने मल्टीपल चीजें ज्यादा करेंगे ना उसके अंदर, उतना आपको ज्यादा उसमें समझ में आएगा. So I feel that now you should start doing multiple things instead of, you know, focusing on the quality of your drawing for right now, until and unless we get new guidelines from NATA. That is what you can do. And rest, plan elevation section, and I think that was already there in your aptitude. So you should continue with that thing and focus more. So your aptitude part was taken up by physics, chemistry and maths this time.
अभी तो मतलब पहले के हिसाब से करे जो पहले कर रहे थे.
नहीं, मतलब मैं आपको बताती हूँ उसमें डिफरेंस क्या है. आपका जो 80 मार्क्स का था उसमें से आपका थोड़ा पोर्शन फिजिक्स, मैथ्स और केमिस्ट्री ने ले लिया था, which also has never happened before. This is the first time that they are implementing such a kind of a thing. So naturally है कि आपका जो एप्टीट्यूड पोर्शन के क्वेश्चंस है वो कम हो गए थे. कोर्स कम नहीं हुआ था लेकिन क्वेश्चंस कम पूछने वाले थे, राइट? और आप लोग ड्राइंग पे ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे थे बिकॉज 120 मार्क्स का ड्राइंग था. So now that aptitude parts which you would have lessened, you should actually study in depth. If you have done 10 questions for something, then do 20 for that. If you have done 50 questions for something, do 100 for that. Right? And do picture based questions more. Okay.
मैम इन क्वेश्चन में ग्रामर भी इंक्लूड होगा?
इन क्वेश्चंस में ग्रामर इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, लेकिन आपका वर्बल रीजनिंग या वर्बल एबिलिटी है ना, वो आपके नाटक का जो आपका एप्टीट्यूड वाला सेक्शन जो है ना, ओरिजिनल वाला 80 मार्क्स उसमें है. सो नाउ आप लोग ऐसा सोच सकते हैं कि सिंस हमारा प्लान एलिवेशन या ड्राइंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस 120 में आने वाला है, उसमें ग्रामर क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं.
मैम,
यस.
is the paper going to become even tougher or easier?
It is tough for you if you do not prepare, and it is
like पहले 80 मार्क्स का ड्राइंग था, अब 125 का ड्राइंग, तो हम थोड़े ऐसे रिलाय हो गए थे कि नाउ वी कैन स्कोर मार्क्स, तो अब इसको प्रेफरेंशियल टाइप बेस्ड कर दिया है.
ओके. सो इसमें सॉरी, कैन यू जस्ट रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन? माय दिस वाज म्यूटेड सो आई
इसमें एक मिनट राजवी, इसमें फिर ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि सपोज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो 35 मार्क्स वाला था, राइट, तो उसमें आपने 30 मिनट्स भी दिए हैं, ड्राइंग प्रॉपर वगैरह भी किया है, कंप्लीट अच्छा शेडिंग वगैरह सब कुछ, तो 30 मार्क्स आएंगे उसमें?
नो सर.
सेम चीज अगर एमसीक्यू बेस्ड है और जो भी सपोज 10 क्वेश्चन है या तो 20 क्वेश्चन है, आंसर सही है तो 30 आएंगे.
यस,
एग्जैक्टली.
एमसीक्यू बेस्ड अगर है तो वो गुजराती में बोल रहे रोकड़े मार्क्स है उसके. ड्राइंग में हम 30 मिनट देंगे उसको, बट 30 मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे उसके. 30 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है तो, बट एमसीक्यू बेस्ड अगर है और वो अगर सही आंसर आपने सही टिक किया है तो उसके रोकड़े मार्क्स आ सकते हैं, भले वो 1 मार्क्स का हो, 1.5 मार्क्स का हो. तो एक अच्छी चीज है मेरे ख्याल से, क्योंकि ड्राइंग में टाइम बहुत चला जाता था आपका.
हाँ सर, टाइमिंग का बहुत इश्यू था.
जी, तो ये है. जी मैम, कंटिन्यू.
या सो सी, इसमें कैसा होता है कि द मोर यू प्रिपेयर, एंड दिस इज ओपन एंडेड. Okay, it is not me that is telling you. Even if you call at NATA, even if you talk to anyone, they will, any faculty of any college, they will always tell you that this is very much open ended. Okay, ये सब साइड से ऐसे ओपन ही है. अभी आप लोगों का, आप आपका नसीब बोलो या आपकी किस्मत बोलो या आप जो भी बोलो, this is the situation that you are in and this is what you have to cope up and you have to make the best out of it, right? So आपको you should feel lucky that there is an exam which is going to happen. They are taking efforts to give it and make it an online exam. आप ये सोचो कि if they would have told you that only the aptitude portion is there, or just submit us portfolios or something, so there are many people जो कितना cheating कर सकते थे, and the actually deserving people wouldn't get it. So they are trying by all means that you get a fair means of admission process, right? So instead of questioning that how should we cheat, or how the others people should, or the other people should cheat, या ये difficult होगा या easy होगा, में ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें काम आपका कम हो गया है या बढ़ गया है, because this is an entirely new thing. Be prepared for the best and be prepared for the worst. Okay. So जितना आप ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, जितने आप ज्यादा रीडिंग करेंगे, उतना आपको वो ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा. और मैंने आपको कहा अभी भी आप जितना ज्यादा ड्राइंग करेंगे, जितने मल्टीपल ड्राइंग्स करेंगे, वो भी आपको हेल्प करेगा इसमें.
मैम
यस
मैम पीसीएम पार्ट का जो वेटेज था वो सेम रहेगा या डिफरेंट होगा?
अभी के लिए सिंस दे हैव नॉट कमेंटेड, वी अज्यूम दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम. एंड अगर वो लोग कुछ भी टेक्निकली चेंज करते हैं, अगर आप मुझे पूछेंगे कि कितने मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन होने वाला है इसके अंदर, तो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू आंसर दैट, बिकॉज इट इज नाटा's this decision and not mine, so we cannot say anything on that, right?
Thank you.
Okay, what they ask in PCM is very basic, and इतना difficult क्योंकि there are diploma students who are giving NATA always, right? And diploma students have not done 11th or 12th science to know the very detailed things about physics, maths and chemistry. So yes, you should know about it, लेकिन आपको इतना भी डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप उसको basic पढ़ेंगे, if you have read it once, right, and if you are reading it right now since you have time, so I think you will be able to get through with it. Okay.
Okay.
It should not be a JEE kind of thing, and they want people to pass and finally give the exam and get into some college. So ऐसे बिल्कुल ही उस टाइप का पेपर तो I don't think कि ऐसा निकालेंगे. But NATA papers are always not that difficult.
Okay.
ठीक है. There are very few times that when there is a very difficult question in NATA. Otherwise, if you have practiced enough, so NATA papers are not that difficult.
The brochure of NATA, PCM, you know the PCM,
हाँ.
NCERT का syllabus दिया था.
NCERT का syllabus, उसमें आपको syllabus में आपको topics दिए थे. So they have, I think, clearly defined, and if you can see over there, so I think उसमें 12th standard का आपका physics है और 11th standard का chemistry है. So they have very clear, they have not told that we are just going to ask chemistry and physics. They would have just told that also. फिर आप क्या करते? They have very clearly specified the topics, and I know the topics are entire chapters, but you at least need to know the brief about those topics to answer any questions. Okay? अगर वो लोग सिर्फ chemistry बोलते तो आप क्या करते? Okay? They have been very specific, and so try to take it in a positive way.
And this is always a scene because all competitive exams generally cover CBSE pattern only. जो NCERT की books होता है, all competitive exams, be it JEE or even government selection exams या UPSC वगैरह भी जो होता है ना, they all are covering CBSE pattern because the body which is covering, which is conducting the program is basically behind CBSE only.
Yes, sir. You are correct. And what we have also observed is that if you are giving JEE paper 1 का जो maths, physics या chemistry होता है, उससे NATA का easy होता है. Right? So as I said, because diploma students don't study 11th and 12th, and there is an option that they can give NATA, but they cannot give JEE. Right? That is why there is that difference in the difficulty level. So आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने 12th में रीड कर लिया है तो मुझे वापस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Please don't be in that. And what I would tell you is that right now think about it that there are 80 marks which you know कि क्या exactly आने वाला है, and you do have the course for that. So don't just let उसमें से एक भी मार्क नहीं जाना चाहिए. That is what I feel. So you जैसे आप पहले 120 marks के लिए ऐसे पीछे पड़ गए थे that we need to get the best out of it. Now you need to get the best out of those 80 marks, and for the rest I have talked to NATA people also, so they are telling that they would be releasing guidelines and they are still working on that. Okay, so we don't know what they are going to do, but they might release a sample paper. Lekin sample paper mein they will not give you a question bank of 1000 questions. No, they might give you 50 questions. So ऐसा तो है नहीं कि वो 50 questions में से ही आपके questions आएंगे, right? So it is very much open ended, and it is open ended and they are accepting it is open ended. So you can't do anything about it. But the best thing which I would suggest you is that right now the NATA exam is there and it is going to happen, right? And it is an online exam. So उसमें best marks लाने का try करो. Okay, because you don't know about the other design entrance exams, or you know what is going to happen, how is your admission going to happen in other colleges. We don't know anything about that. And even the college people don't know. Okay. Anything else about this course or anything about this?
मैम नाटा का जो मार्क्स आते हैं वो सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स सेप्ट के होते हैं, मतलब नेट पे सर्च करके मिला है ये। और मैम तो फिर इस साल कितने तक जाएगा कट ऑफ, या लास्ट साल का कितना था?
अभी हम कोर्स को ही अंडरस्टैंड करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं। कोर्स में वो कितने मार्क्स का है वो भी हमें नहीं पता है, तो आप कट ऑफ पे क्यों जा रहे हैं? आपका कट ऑफ ये आप यू स्टडी वेल एंड यू गिव द बेस्ट पॉसिबल एग्जाम एंड यू मेक योर ओन मार्क्स एज द कट ऑफ. नो, we all don't know about this. So obvious, वो बहुत obvious है कि जो लास्ट ईयर का कट ऑफ था उससे कंपेयर ही नहीं कर सकते. हो सकता है उतना ही हो सकता है उससे ज्यादा और हो सकता है उससे बहुत कम हो, right? So we don't know about that. You know, they might so we expected कि इस बार बोर्ड के results slow है, so is as we read in the newspaper, right, that this time only I think 50% of the 12th standard students have passed or something like that, or very few people have marks above 90 and 80 in science, right? 12th science. I think that what we have seen in Gujarat board. So we thought कि you know they would revise the guidelines and you know they would 50% का 45 करेंगे, but then they have not done any such thing. So आपका जो वो marks है वो तो वही रहने वाला है. So even I had a question in my mind about that you know would they change the weightage of your board marks and your this marks, but then they have not changed anything in that guideline for now. So we have to wait and watch for all those guidelines of what they are going to give.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
So before we end, I would just like to have a small talk with all of you because I'm very excited. मेरे पास 100 odd future architects हैं. I'm so happy with to see all of you together because generally classes are 25-30 students से ही ज़्यादा classes हम लोग नहीं लेते हैं. But now for this session we have invited everyone together. So अगर this overall environment is basically changing. हम लोग सब कुछ देख रहे हैं कि everything is different, what we have not observed ever in our life. Even your in future nobody has seen this. In past nobody has seen this earlier. So अभी सब कुछ चीजें evolving हैं. Like PCM has added this year. Now अभी pattern पूरा change हुआ है. और भी अभी आगे क्या होने वाला है we don't know. हो सकता है कि कोई addition deletion कुछ हो सकता है आगे पीछे, right? Like we can see कि अगर 100 students का इतना बढ़िया session मैम ने लिया होता था क्लास के अंदर, so you all would have clapped for ma'am to appreciate. But अभी तो कोई नहीं clap करता है, right? Nobody appreciate. Appreciation. How did you like this session? Did you like this session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can have this applaud for ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. So we are basically trying to understand what changes are coming up, and I just want to tell you this thing that be positive and understand that जो भी हो रहा है वो अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. As Chirag sir said कि this is going to be an opportunity कि जहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा स्कोर भी कर सकते हो, क्योंकि जैसे 80% मार्क्स जो थे वो probably वो 80 तो नहीं मिलने वाले थे पूरे, बट अभी अगर 80 के मार्क्स आप जो ऐड कर रहे हैं, जो उसके ड्राइंग के मार्क्स को हम लोग इधर पे जो ऐड कर रहे हैं वो पूरे मार्क्स आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मिल सकते हैं. सो व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन दैट कि हम अभी हमारे पास टाइम भी है, ऑलमोस्ट 1 मंथ से के लगभग ज्यादा टाइम है हमारे पास, राइट? दो द स्टूडेंट हु आर ऑलरेडी स्टडीइंग इन द क्लासरूम, तो वो क्लासरूम के अंदर डेफिनेटली वी विल बी वर्किंग अप हाईली कि हम जो भी आपके डाउट्स हैं और जिस भी तरीके से जो पैटर्न्स जो अपडेट्स आ रहे हैं बॉडी के साथ में कि नाटक की तरफ से, तो हम उसको इंक्लूड करके आप लोगों के कैरिकुलम के अंदर इंक्लूड करके और उसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा अच्छे से आपके लिए हेल्पफुल कर सके। उसके अलावा भी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो जस्ट फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन अभी आए हैं, जो अदर जगह से आए हैं, वो स्टूडेंट्स भी अगर चाहें तो क्रैश कोर्स के लिए दे कैन ज्वाइन इन, पल्लवी मैम के साथ अप्रोच कर सकते हैं एंड दे कैन ज्वाइन इन। आई होप यू ऑल हैव द कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग। इन केस यू डोंट हैव, लेट अस नो, राइट। तो अभी भी 1 महीने का जैसा टाइम है। वी एक्सपेक्ट कि द सेकेंड राउंड होगा या नहीं होगा, वी डोंट नो, बट वी एक्सपेक्ट कि शायद होगा, क्योंकि अभी जैसा लिखा है सर्कुलर के अंदर कि दे विल गिव द डेट लेटर ऑन, राइट। सो वी एक्सपेक्ट कि शायद 1 आध महीने बाद वो हो। तो जिन्होंने अगर तैयारी शुरू नहीं की है अभी तक, दे स्टिल हैव ए चांस कि वो अभी भी तैयारी शुरू कर सकते हैं और थोड़ा बहुत जो उन्होंने लूज किया है, क्योंकि अभी और कोई क्लास नहीं है, कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है, so they can still do a full focus on that and probably come back into the competition, right? So it is still an opportunity, it is still a game, because everything is changing up, right? So all the best to everyone, and we hope that you will do the best into the exams and you'll get what you deserve to be in your life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
So
you,
I would
sir.
just like to add in the end that focus on your aptitude skills right now, and focus on the theory also, and focus on the aspects of drawing, but not how to draw, but you know what is there in the drawing, what are the essence of drawings. That is what you need to understand right now, and don't have excuses ke अरे मुझे तो maths नहीं आता, मुझे तो maths पसंद नहीं है. Just leave all that behind. It's 30 more days, and so you guys have studied and studied and studied, and there's no vacation, and there will be still no vacation, and the admissions might go up till Diwali and everything, but it is eventually for your future. Abhi at least there is an exam that is going to happen, so just give that exam and study for that exam. Okay, we don't know about next year shayad exam hi na ho, right? This might worsen, or the board exams might go late, or whatever. So अभी जो आपके लिए जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, उससे ज्यादा देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर द एग्जिस्टिंग 12th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, so you guys are in a very good condition, so don't have that pride that अरे मेरा क्या होगा. Okay, there's a very good opportunity for you, so you guys should just grab it and start studying and give a very good exam. That is what I feel.
मैम एडमिशंस अराउंड कब तक होंगे, आपको आइडिया होगा?
वंस एग्जाम हो जाएगा, दूसरे एग्जाम का डेट आएगा, दूसरा एग्जाम देंगे, फिर आपका फर्स्ट राउंड होगा, सेकंड राउंड होगा, उसके बाद आपके कॉलेजेस स्टार्ट होंगे.
मैम पर अभी ऐसा मैंने सुना है कि कॉलेज के एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म स्टार्ट हो तो भर देने चाहिए कि नहीं अभी?
आपको नाटा ही करना है तो फिर आप भर दो.
यस मैम.
आपको नाटा ही करना है तो यू कैन ऑलवेज fill the forms and reserve your this over there, but I think that the forms will be open for a long time right now, and that is how this thing will go on. But I don't know about the other things and everything, but NATA, and they have also written that the NATA registrations are going to open again for NATA. That is what they have informed me. So more students are going to come, your competition is going to increase, so not studying or not preparing is not an option right now, and there will be more students who are coming for this, and so you have to prepare. And just नाटा के बेसिस पे ही आपका इन सब कॉलेजेस में भी एडमिशन होने वाला है, इसलिए अभी आपका ये वन गो सॉल्यूशन है, तो फिर आप लोग ये चीज कर ही लेना, राइट?
मैम एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म कॉलेज का भरने का बेनिफिट क्या होता है?
उसमें बेनिफिट कुछ नहीं है, there is just a deadline which they give. So if they have opened a application form that you can apply in this college, so then you apply over there.
Okay.
Except में ऐसा होता है that when you give after you in the normal procedure when you give NATA, so there are two types of seats, right? There are 40 seats which are different for all India, and 40 सेप्ट का होता है, so you have to fill 2 different forms, so आपका merit name उस college के list में आए, right? So college is offering you, and if you're interested कि मुझे यहाँ पे मिल सकता है, and if I'm interested, then for now you should do that. Okay, this year see all the procedures are changing and all the things are changing, so we are all unsure about all these things, right? So it is best that you grab the opportunities that are coming to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So I hope, sir, we can conclude over here
With Chirag sir's permission.
with Chirag sir's permission, of course.
सर आप म्यूट अनम्यूट
Mute.
करना पड़ेगा.
स्टूडेंट्स के सब डाउट क्लियर हो गए? स्टूडेंट कोई पूछ रहा तो नहीं है क्वेश्चंस?
मैम
Yes.
मैम जो सेप्ट की इंटीरियर अर्बन की एग्जाम्स होंगी होने वाली थी वो अब होगी कि नहीं होगी?
ऑफिशियली वेबसाइट पे आएगा लेकिन जहां तक मुझे पता है वो नहीं होने वाली है. सो आप लोग नाटा, इसलिए मैं इंसिस्ट कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग नाटा दे दो. आपको आर्किटेक्चर, आपको अगर डिजाइनिंग फील्ड में जाना है तो आप अभी नाटा दे दो. मैं आपको ऐसा सजेस्ट करती हूँ.
हाँ
Right? There is not much I can tell you about it, and officially everything will come on the website if they can take an exam or not and everything. And even the SEP people don't know about it much, and so I have studied from there, right? And I am associated with many professors over there. So मेरी बात होती रहती है, and everyone is in a dilemma only कि क्या होने वाला है करके. तो जितने आप अननोन है उतनी ही मैं अननोन हूँ और उतने ही वो लोग भी अननोन है. लेकिन इतना लेट हो गया है तो फिर आप लोग जो भी एग्जाम्स होने वाली है वो आप लोग सब लोग दे देना, वो भी अच्छे से देना.
Yes,
ठीक है? देयर माइट बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट द एग्जाम्स माइट नॉट हैपन, एंड जो भी आपने एग्जाम्स दिया है उसी के बेसिस पे आपके बाकी के भी एडमिशंस हो. इसलिए इंसिस्ट करती हूँ दैट व्हाटएवर यू डू वेल दिस टाइम.
okay ma'am.
Ma'am,
यस.
ma'am, is good set we can apply for admission in architecture through good
आई
set?
हैव नो क्लू. नो, अगर नाटा हो रहा है तो नाटा के थ्रू ही आप आर्किटेक्चर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आप ऐसा कोई और प्रोविजन देता है तो वो गवर्नमेंट का डिसीजन है, वो तो नाटा वालों का भी डिसीजन नहीं है.
Okay. And NATA
So
main exam है पर like I have heard sometimes कि good set से भी admission good set का भी
JEE
marks
पेपर
related
2
कुछ
से
होता है.
होता है कहीं कहीं पे. JEE पेपर 2 से होता है, बट इफ देयर इज समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड आप वो आ जाएगा आपके रिस्पेक्टिव वेबसाइट्स पे, एंड इवन कॉलेज वेबसाइट्स विल पब्लिश दैट यू नो थ्रू दिस आल्सो यू कैन अप्लाई, थ्रू दिस आल्सो यू कैन अप्लाई. इवन इफ यू गो थ्रू अ नंबर ऑफ कॉलेजेस राइट नाउ तो उसके डिजाइन एग्जाम्स में लिखा ही होता है that you know you can apply through this. So that is what is there, it is mentioned that way only. Anything else? फिर आप सर को परेशान मत करना, अभी जो पूछना है मुझे पूछ लो.
I was about to say कि चिराग सर से या मैम से आप अलग से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो अगर बाई चांस धीरे धीरे करके क्वेश्चंस याद आ रहे हैं. एंड इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन कि सेशन खत्म होने के बाद भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस याद आएंगे.
सर एक्चुअली सेशन खत्म होने के बाद ही क्वेश्चंस अराइज होंगे. वही होता है. सो व्हेन दे स्टॉप दिस एंड व्हेन दे एक्चुअली स्टार्ट टू थिंक अरे क्या हुआ इस सेशन में और हमने क्या सुना इस सेशन में, देन देयर क्वेश्चंस. एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग, नो एक्चुअली व्हाट ऑल आई हैव एक्चुअली एक्सप्लेन्ड, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग यू विल हैव क्वेश्चंस.
So maybe you can connect back to Pallavi ma'am or Chirag sir and or ma'am directly. तो ये लोग भी इन्हीं को मैम के थ्रू कनेक्ट करके and they can be then we can solve up the queries.
You can start studying, and you know you can always have your list of questions, and we would always be happy to help you out. So that is no problem.
मैम
And yes,
जेई पेपर 2 से अभी क्या होगा उसमें? जेई पेपर 2 पे तो अभी अता पता भी नहीं है उसका, तो डेट्स आई है खाली.
उससे उसका आता पता नहीं है और आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो कि उससे कहाँ पे एडमिशन होगा.
मतलब होगा.
BArch पेपर 2 से certain colleges में होता है. there's a list only which is you know there, and यहाँ पे generally if I know in Ahmedabad, so निर्मा का I think design वाला जो है वहाँ पे JEE पेपर 2 से आप दे सकते हैं, right? And generally what I have known is that जहाँ पे JEE पेपर 2 applicable होता है वहाँ नाटा भी applicable ही होता है. तो main thing is focus on नाटा.
ओके मैम. यस मैम.
राइट. एंड JEE का कोर्स एप्टीट्यूड का या ड्राइंग का नाटा से कम है और नाटा से इजी है. सो इफ यू आर इवेंचुअली गिविंग नाटा एंड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट, यू विल बी एबल टू डू वेल इन JEE आल्सो.
यस.
राइट.
Ma'am, I have one question which is not related to NATA.
Okay.
Like, what can be said about NID and UCED? Like, will they be held around the same time of the year?
We'll have a separate session for that, I suppose, and in that you can raise up that kind of questions, or maybe connect to Chirag sir.
All right. And secondly, will the paper style of NATA this year be similar to that of UCED or NID? Like in terms of the aptitude questions, like generally the questions of aptitude in UCED are hard compared to NATA. So will the paper style be similar?
We can only know that if NATA gives out a sample paper for that, whether there would be design questions or there would be questions related to aptitude more and everything. So we would be able to decide after that only. If it's a sample, if they give out a sample paper, that because we cannot compare that. This is not a design exam, this is a NATA architecture exam, so we directly cannot compare. That is good for practice and that will be able to open up your mind about the design questions, but we directly cannot say right now, as of now, that the paper will be like that paper. Okay, that we cannot say that right now.
All right.
Can we practice some design papers at present?
Yes, that is what I told, right? That for practice it is always good because it will help you to determine the kind of questions that would come, right? So it is always good to practice those papers. And right, even if you see NATA paper and even if you see an old SID paper, right, interior designing ka paper, if you see, they both are very different. So drawing is drawing only. Drawing आप ये करो या ये करो, वो तो drawing तो same रहने वाला है. लेकिन the terms, the design that they ask, the type of questions that they ask, they differ for NID also, for NIFT also, for UCIT also, for SID also. Even though it is drawing and design only, there are only two things. Right, but it differs for everything, so we can never say that this would be like that thing. Okay, so you solve those papers, but you have to envisage these questions in terms of architecture. Okay.
Ma'am, I have one last question.
Yes.
You said next year the situation for the people who are doing NATA is going to be worse. Like, why do you say so?
No, I'm not saying that it is going to be worse. I'm saying we do not know what it is going to be. At least for this year, we know what is going to be.
Because currently I'm in 12th and I have to give NATA and all the other exams next year. So I was wondering, why did you say that?
Yes, so that is what I told, that for this year, at least you know that the exam is going to be there and you know what is going to be, because we have, listened that 12th का course भी थोड़ा कम होने वाला है, या they are going to cut off the course and everything, right? So we are hearing different things and there are some things which are coming into application and some things which are not coming. So the 12th standard students are very uncertain about those things. Okay. So that is what, so at least for this is what I told for this year students, that you at least know कि अभी क्या होने वाला है, so you should go for it. And everything depends on Corona, so we don't know how Corona is going to work, so we don't know how the other things are going to work, right? But all you can do is prepare the best for these things, right? The exams which are coming. So that is what you should do.
All right, all right.
Yes, not think about anything else but your preparation.
All right.
Yes.
This year, basically, this is something very new situation, and nobody has this kind of experience. So that is where we are having a lot of dilemma. And now we got a kind of circular. Maybe we'll get a few more clarification in coming days.
Yes.
But I hope that for the next year, when everybody will be having a little experience of this situation, so maybe January, February, they'll be able to give some input ki what they are going to plan out for the next year, and probably they'll be able to do a better also, or maybe if the situation worse, maybe it go worst. But what we have to do is we have to actually prepare ourselves with the best of the situation and be prepared for whatever comes. Right? Be positive, yes, and be prepared for whatever it comes.
Right? See, NATA is also working for you guys only, and so the NATA people are also working for you guys only. Otherwise, आपका ऐसा होता कि before 1 month they would have given this change in course, and then they would have given an exam कि अभी जो first को exam होने वाला है, that would have been this exam. It is going to happen on 29th. So they would have expected that corona would have lessened, or you would be able to give exams. That is why आपका exam postpone करके इस तरह से रखा गया था. If they had known before कि अभी तक the condition is worsening and this kind of thing would have happened, they would have given this online exam long back. They would not have made you pass through all these things, right? So it is not in our hands, or it is not in their hands. So whatever the situation is, uske hisab se they are also changing. So they would be giving right now, even though they know that this is very open ended, and then there can be a lot of possibilities for all the questions and everything, but they would be releasing guidelines. And if they release more guidelines, and if more clarity is required on those things also, so we can always have another talk on that. So but we have to wait and wait for them to give more guidelines.
So you are now aware of what changes, what guidelines they have given. We have discussed up to that. Be connected. We hope that whatever clarifications we'll get, we'll keep on updating. We'll have more sessions. We'll have more gatherings online. And we'll keep doing keep guiding the things. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for having that enlightening session.
Yes,
we hope that
I hope I was of help to the students.
Surely, we can see the thumbs up with many. And whatever questions you have, you can always get back, right? So now we can conclude the session. Thank you very much. Yeah, see, the thumbs are coming up. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank